What's up guys, Brendan here at DetailKing.com. Today I'm here to talk to you guys about our synthetic wax, inorganic liquid paste wax. Our synthetic liquid paste wax is made of zero carnauba wax. It's formulated with a silica film that'll deliver a hard hydrophobic surface that protects your vehicle for 9 to 12 months. Because this paste wax contains no carnauba wax, that means you can expect that it'll stand up to higher temperatures in the sun. Carnauba wax tends to fade and melt off in hot summer days. You won't have to worry about that with synthetic liquid paste wax. Our synthetic wax is formulated to be easy on and easy off, making it perfect for the car enthusiast who wants to add a bit more protection than a traditional carnauba wax. To apply synthetic wax, use a Lake Country 6.5-inch hybrid black finishing pad or a Reflection Artist Eurotech white finishing pad with your favorite polisher on a low setting. It can also be applied by hand using a CCS Eurofoam Red Ultra Soft hand finishing applicator. As you can see here, both application methods are effective and easy to do. After you've applied your synthetic liquid paste wax, allow for up to 12 hours for it to cure to your paint. That's about it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. As always, make sure you click the subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon to be notified when we post a new video, hit the thumbs up button if you liked what you saw, and leave us a comment down below to let us know what videos you want to see next. As always, for any more information on this product or any of our other auto detailing products, head on over to DetailKing.com where you have everything you need to keep your car clean like a detail king. I'll see you in the next one.